Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix crawled not indexed in Wix. So, if your Wix website is showing the crawled not indexed status in Google Search Console, it indicates that Googlebot has crawled your pages but hasn't indexed them for search results. Here's a step-by-step guide to help fix this issue. So first is checking robots.txt settings. Go to Wix dashboard, open SEO tools by clicking on site and mobile app and choosing SEO. Now, ensure that your robots.txt file is not blocking important pages or resources from being crawled. Wix automatically creates this file, but it's essential to verify that it doesn't prevent Googlebot from indexing critical pages. So make sure that the disallow directives aren't blocking any URLs that should be indexed. The robots.txt should allow the user agent to access your key pages. Check if any pages have no index tag, which tells search engines not to index the page. In Wix, you can navigate to SEO settings for each page, and under page settings, ensure that no index option is turned off unless you intentionally want a page not to be indexed. If the no index tag is present on pages you want indexed, remove it. Now, you can also ensure that your site is not blocked by Google. You can open Google Search Console and check the coverage report for any blocked by robot text, errors, or other crawl issues. If there are any, go to Wix SEO Tools section and ensure that there is no accidental blocking. You can also navigate to SEO Tools and click on View Task under Issues and upgrade to a premium plan and see the issues that needs to be fixed and is listed here under SEO Assistant. Now, you can also submit a sitemap or check for content quality issues. So low quality or duplicate content may cause Google to skip indexing certain pages. Ensure that your content is original, valuable, and unique. You can also avoid thin content, like pages with very little content, and consider adding more high quality text, images, and videos to improve the user experience. You can use Fetch as Google. So in Google Search Console, go to URL inspection tool and enter the URL of the page that is crawled but not indexed. Click on request indexing to request that Google index the page manually. Now, you can also check for crawl errors in Google Search Console. Common errors might include 404 not found or server errors. You can fix these errors by updating broken links or correcting server-side issues. Once fixed, go back to Search Console and request recrawling of the fixed URLs. Now, after making the necessary fixes, it can take several days or weeks for Google to recrawl and index your page. So be patient and keep monitoring the coverage report in the Google Search Console. In rare cases, your site might have been penalized by Google. So if the issue persists despite following these steps, check if there are any manual penalties in Google Search Console under Security and Manual Actions. And by following these steps, you can resolve the crawled not indexed issue and help ensure your Wix website get indexed properly by Google. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.